Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the JRS Cars YouTube channel. Today we are here at Besant Nagar because another YouTuber, Voxer Bay, has invited me to this VAG car meet today. Full review coming on this beast soon. The GT TSI over here. I-Series tuning stage 3 plus PWMEO. Stage 3 Octavia TSI over here. Hi, we have Voxer Bay over here. Stage 2 Audi TT. Alright guys, so we'll start this video by showing you the lineup of all the vehicles that have come today, and we'll wrap up the video with the drag race between this stage 1 GT TDI and this stage 1 GT TSI. Straight away looking at the front, we have this stage 1 GT TDI. Full review coming on this little beast, coming soon to the channel. Behind this we have a white color Polo GT TSI petrol, and behind that we have another stage 2 Polo GT TSI looking absolutely amazing. Behind that we have one of India's most tastefully modded Skoda Octavias. So this is a stage 3 Octavia TSI, and I'll leave a link below to the car story on Team BHP. Really makes for an amazing reading, and the car is truly a masterpiece of perfection and modification. Behind this car we have this, probably India's fastest VW MEO diesel. So this is a stage 3 car from ICD Tuning, and a full review on this car is available on the Driver Seats channel. I'll leave a link below. Moving to the rear, we have my car over here, stage 1 plus Laura diesel. In front of that we have Voxer Bay's Volvo S60. So this is a 5-cylinder 205 bhp version of the S60, and we should thank him for calling me to this meet today. In front of that we have this BMW 520D, again a full review available on Voxer Bay's channel. We also have a stage 2 Audi TT over here. Hi, we have Voxer Bay over here. First time we are meeting on YouTube. How are you, bro? Really very tastefully done and well. We have a lower GT TSI with a doggy inside. Hello. Looks like he wants to be on the vlog as well. We have this Polo from Arjun's garage. This car, the stage 2 Polo GT TSI. Really very nicely done. With that, let's move on to the drag race between this stage 1 GT TSI and this stage 1 GT TDI. The TSI is having the old 1.2 litre engine with a 7-speed DSG, and the TDI is having a 1.5 litre diesel engine with a 5-speed manual gearbox. The GT TSI is running a Peach tune with approximately 130 bhp and 210 Nm of torque. The GT TDI is running on a stage 1 tune and produces approximately 140 bhp and 310 Nm of torque. Let's see what happens when both these cars go drag racing. Hi Max. In both runs, the TSI got a great launch while the TDI struggled for traction. However, the difference between the cars was not more than a car length, and that's something really commendable for the TDI. A massive thank you to Voxer Bay for organizing this meet. Do check out the full video on his channel, the link will be below. Also, do subscribe to Voxer Bay and the Driver's Seat for more awesome Tamil car content. With that, I'll see you in the next video really soon. Take care, bye bye, drive safe.